This is day 12 of the Future Generations tour, and now we're here. We've covered the central North Island, everywhere north and on the west coast from here. Ultimately spark as many chats as we can, but it's like giving you guys the power to be able to do it. Just these simple things that you can incorporate into your day-to-day, your life, whether that be sport, whether that be school, whether that be going on to study at uni or doing a trade, whatever you're going to apply yourself into the future. If you're going through tough times and you're fighting through it and you feel alone, reach out. Honestly, it's courageous. It's hugely courageous. It's been vulnerable. And for some reason over the years, it's been looked upon as soft. Well, I tell you the opposite. It's hugely courageous. It can be life-saving as well. A conversation can save a life. I've seen it happen, I've done it.
Cheers so much, really appreciate it.
Oh bro, it's vice versa, good man.
What was that saying you said at Soundsplash?
Who did he tell you that?
Yeah.
Have you got an answer?
No, I don't.